2025 and I think 26 as well. Newer generation CRF250 and 450 shock removal. We're gonna try and do it in less than 3 minutes. It's a whole lot easier than it was on the old bike. We'll give you some tips on it right now. So we're gonna try and do this in under 3 minutes. We've seen it done, and this is assuming you've already greased your linkage and all that, because you're not gonna be able to, if I hadn't greased anything like the swing arm, I would just take the swing arm loose. So we're gonna take the two side panels off right now. Now we're gonna remove the lower linkage with a 17 on one side and a 14 wrench on this side. So I got my 14 in here, right here, like this, while Cody, my assistant there, is removing the nut on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna hold the rear wheel up, kind of jiggle it a little bit, and we're gonna pull out this pivot right here like this. Little jiggles like that. Now we're gonna remove the muffler, and you could change up the order of this a little bit. I'm good. So let's get the, so there's just the two mounts. If you have the stock muffler on, with the stock muffler you have a mount right here you'll need to loosen up with the clamp. This washer and this nut was like this. Always pay attention so that you remember, if you need any help, take a video or a photo before you put them away. Lower shock nut being removed. Okay, so I pull the ECU out of the way. The stock one's the same. This is a Vortex ECU from Twisted. We're gonna pull it out of the way, and then right here is the top shock bolt right there. 17 T-handle. I'm gonna hold the shock while he pushes out the bolt. I have all the pressure, there's all the pressure off it. You don't have to move the wheel because it's not even touching. Pick up in that rear wheel, Cody. So the shock's gonna fall down like this. And then I'm gonna step over to the other side of the bike. Okay, so the shock, now I got Cody kind of moving the rear wheel, jocking around, and I can pull it right out, and that's all there is to it. I like to keep all the hardware in like a magnet so I don't lose it, because if you're getting your shock serviced, you might be down for a week or 2 or 3, so you're gonna forget where things go, and that's why I always like to either take a photo or video of which side everything comes in from, but that's how quick and easy it is to take the shock off of a new Honda. You don't even have to take the seat off or anything like that. All right, that's it. Very simple tech video for you. If you got a Honda, current Honda, do you want to get that shock off easy without taking anything more off than you need to? Hopefully it helps you out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and check out all of our other content. That Moto Shows, our podcast. We have all kinds of cool videos for you to check out. See you guys next time on the Tracker Trail.